So now let's see how we can work around with quick calculations inside of Google Sheets. So over here you can see that I have a table, and if I want to work around with quick calculation, then I can select around the cells which I want the calculation of. And then once I do that, on the bottom right hand side, you can see that the sum of the percentage is 289. So by default, sum is being displayed out. We can go around and see different values. So you can see the average, which is 17%. You can go around over here and go for minimum, that is 4%. Maximum is 90%. Count is 17. So there's total 17 data right here. And you can also go around into count numbers right here. And similarly, you can also go around do the same with price. So if I were to go around over here, we can see this is the sum. This is the average right here, minimum. So all the data that you wish to see are all here. So it is just displayed out just like this. You can also do this with multiple columns. So let's say, for example, if I have 6, 7, and then 18, and let's say, for example, 9. I can select out all of these data right here, and there you go. There's the count, which is 4. Sum is 40, as you can see. Average is 10, minimum is 6, and then there you go, max is 18. And that is how you can see quick calculations inside of Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.